This is manual. This is about quick operation guide, how it works, what we can do. We have 2.4 G mode directly in this, that we can plug in any computer, laptop, anything. Then we have direct BT also, Bluetooth, that we can just switch using function keys up to I think 3 devices. Yeah. Then we can use using the USB-C cable also, that we will use to charge this one. So basically the purpose behind buying this is to get a keyboard that is rechargeable also. So this very heavy, not very, but yeah, more than a normal keyboard. Let's see. And the good part is it is having the RGBs and all that, but then the keys, right, that is not written on top, it is in here, so it looks cool. So, and also it is having a display here. This is, hear the sound, very cool. Okay, so yeah, this is from AULA. The model is F75. This is the connector. In the box we got, okay, we can replace if any key is not working. We got this one to just pull it out, and we got this USB-C to USB-A for charging. So yeah, that's all about this keyboard. I'll give a detailed review after using it for a few weeks or maybe month.